Hey peeps! Welcome back to your Sweet Life channel. This is Maggie and the Salvadors for our Japan series. Today we are going to share with you how we got mind-blown at teamLab Planets in Tokyo. Palambing naman ng konti. Please like and share to this page para maging sweet din ang life nyo. Anyways, if you were able to watch our last vlog, we stopped at the Ichiran restaurant at the Ueno station. So for this vlog, starting point pa rin natin is Ueno station, then train ride to teamLab Planets. Medyo mahaba-haba ang trip, around 30 to 40 minutes, and we will discover 8 things about an immersive art experience in Tokyo, Japan. Let's go to the teamLab Planets. So, tulad ng sinabi ko sa last vlog, you don't worry too much about directions. Very accurate ang Google Maps here. It will tell you where the train station stop na kailangan mong bumaba and the exit where you need to go para mas malapit ka sa destination mo. Okay, so here we go. Impressive! Driverless ang train. The train that will bring us to teamLab Planets is the one going to Shin-Toyosu station. We arrived early, mga 4 p.m. for our 4:30 schedule. Maraming benches and tables where we can wait and relax. May cafe din within the area. So, we bought our tickets sa Klook. You just need to show your QR code to fall in line. And we waited for 30 minutes, so sakto lang talaga yung dating namin.
In this museum, you will walk barefoot as you experience the artworks with your entire body.
これから皆様には裸足となり全身でアート作品を体験していただきます。
Your feet will get wet in some spaces. Please take off your socks and tights in the locker area.
水に濡れるエリアがございます。ロッカー前で靴下、ストッキングをお脱ぎください。
In some areas, water depths are knee-deep even for adults. Please roll up your pants.
大人の方でも膝丈まで濡れるところがございます。ズボンの裾をまくり上げてください。
Mirroring materials are used on the floor in some areas. If you are wearing a skirt, your underwear may be visible.
床が鏡になっているところがございます。スカートの方は下着が映る可能性がございます。
Rental shorts are available for free. Please use the changing rooms in the locker area.
ハーフパンツを無料で貸し出しておりますので、ロッカーエリアにある更衣室をご利用ください。
Please store all your belongings in the locker, except smartphones and cameras.
スマートフォンとカメラ以外すべての手荷物をロッカーへお入れください。
Please use one locker per person.
ロッカーは1人1台のご使用をお願いします。
Download the teamLab app using the QR code on your locker door to interact with some of our artwork.
ロッカーの扉にある QR コードを読み込むと、一部の作品に参加できるチームラボアプリをダウンロードできます。
So, initially, they have a video presentation of what to expect and a brief intro of the whole park. Then, when everyone's ready, you're led inside to proceed to the locker room. Let me take you through some of the highlights of our visit and give you a taste of what awaits you at teamLab Planets Tokyo. So, yung una, ito yung soft black hole where gravity bends. Yung tatapakan nyo pagpasok ng room are all parang malalaking black na pillows and even the walls are soft too. So here, bawal ang flash photography. So wala tayong makikita, guys. So, after ng black hole, you get to wash your feet again, this time sa sanitized na flowing water before the next attraction. So, they call this Dance of Koi or World of Water. We were able to walk in the water and engage with the beautiful koi fish. As we moved, ripples formed on the surface, parang we were engaged with art. So, I'll keep quiet na. So, you'll see. So
nasa likod mo yung point.
After the koi fish, when you exit, my foot towels that await you, do not bring it home. Once you've wiped your feet dry, leave them in the wash bin. Then proceed to the next themed art, which is the Infinite Crystal Universe, a kaleidoscope of lights. This is one of the most breathtaking exhibits, and you can be lost here for hours just to look and take photos and videos. It was really like stepping into a kaleidoscope with colors and forms, constantly shifting and changing. It's as if nandun ka mismo inside the lights and sounds show. Finally here, teamlabplanets! Here is the floating in the falling universe of flowers. Flowers na parang nade-dissolve into art. If that makes sense. Tingnan nyo na lang. Guys, at this point, we were all lying down and just like looking at the horizon and parang umiikot yung mundo mo sa wonderful colors and flowers na nasa paligid. One of the exhibits that caught our attention was the waterfall of light particles. It's located at the top of an incline. It looked like a cascading waterfall of light. And kung ano man yung amazing is that we could get near it without getting wet. You know the drill. Wipe your feet dry and then proceed to the next exhibit. Here we are at the Balloon Room, a three-dimensional wonderland. So this is one of the most Instagram-worthy exhibits here at teamLab Planets Tokyo. This exhibit changes in color and creates three-dimensional art pieces that need your cameras to capture all of these moments. Moss Garden. Hindi ko alam paano explain, but this time, outdoors ang exhibit and they let you wear rubber slippers kasi concrete yung floor. So, malimig siya or mainit depending on the weather. During the daytime, the garden is adorned with an array of vibrant green moss, creating a calming atmosphere. Pero sa gabi, nag-glow up daw siya in different colors. The Floating Flower Garden. This exhibit is a mass of flowers. So, it creates a space where you can connect with their beauty. Be careful lang if you have allergic rhinitis because some flowers might have pollen, baka ma-allergy tayo. So, here you go. Last stop, dito sa teamlabplanets. Dito tayo sa flowers. B1 with flowers. B1 with flowers. But this is the last stop. We're only allowed to stay here for 3 minutes. Hi, this is the second day of our Japan trip in Tokyo, and this is the last stop for teamLab Planets. Tapos na kami sa teamLab. Saya. Sasapatos na kami. Bye! And that's just a glimpse of what teamLab Planets Tokyo has to offer. Each exhibit is a unique and immersive experience that will transport you to a different world. So all in all, we spent an hour and a half inside. It's up to you kung gaano nyo katagal matapos dahil isa lang naman ang may time limit. Nasa Nasaan ba tayo? Nasa Toyosu. So hello, nasa Toyosu Station kami. Naiwan namin si Daddy tsaka ang ate sa kabilang station. So hintay lang namin sila. Okay? They're about to arrive. Ang bilis kasi magsara nun train. Magkakadikit naman kami. Pero anyways. Time check. 6:30 and 15,000 steps. Okay. Hope we made you excited to go and visit teamLab Planets in your next visit to Tokyo. So now we walk to the trains and proceed to Shibuya Crossing for dinner and midnight shopping at Don Quixote. See you there! And this has been Maggie. Please help me create more informational travel videos. Paki-like and subscribe na rin. Hit the bell button so you'll know when there's a new vlog coming. Arigatou gozaimasu and see you on our next vlog dito pa rin sa Tokyo. Safe travels everyone and be kind always. Bye!